Hey friends, welcome back to Yum's Kitchen. Today we're starting the week with something warm, familiar, and easy, a cozy chickpea noodle soup. Nothing fancy, no pressure, just a good pot of soup to ease you into the week. Here's everything we're using today. Simple, familiar ingredients. We'll start by warming a little olive oil in the pot, then adding our onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Nothing rushed here. Just let everything soften and smell good. Once the veggies are soft, we'll add the chickpeas and pour in the vegetable broth. Then let everything gently come together. Now for the noodles. I'm using egg noodles here. They're classic and cozy, but honestly, use whatever noodles you have. Just add them in and cook until tender. This is the kind of soup you make when you just want something warm and comforting. Simple, familiar, and exactly what you need right now. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.